Merry Christmas, everybody, and today we're doing simplifying equations. More specifically, we're going to simplify a Christmas equation. This is the equation we're going to simplify. The first step would be getting rid of r squared on the bottom. And how do we do that? We have to do the inverse operation of dividing, which is multiplying. So we'll multiply by r squared. And whatever we do to the one side, we have to do to the other side. So we'll multiply the left-hand side of the equation by r squared as well. After doing the first step, this is what we're left with. Next, we have to do the inverse operation of ln. So we have to multiply both sides by e. That would mean that e and ln will cancel out. The equation is now looking like this, but we're not done yet. Nobody likes dealing with fractions, so we have to get rid of them. We get rid of them by multiplying both sides by m. We cannot just cancel out both the m's like we did with the r squares, because there's brackets. This time we have to use distributive properties. When we do distributive properties, we have to multiply m to both parts inside the brackets. So m multiplied by x divided by m, the m's will just cancel out, and m multiplied by sa would be m sa. So now this is what we're left with. And if you didn't want to deal with exponents, we can just change r squared to r multiplied by r, because it's the same thing. Once we rearrange the variables, this is what we're left with. Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you guys have